In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to add Torrentio on Stremio. To begin the process, open Stremio in your preferred web browser. Next, download the Stremio application suitable for your Windows version and install it on your PC. Once the installation is complete, proceed to search for the following URL: torrentio.stream.fun/configure. Upon opening this page, you will find an option labeled install, so you have to click on that, and a prompt will appear above indicating open Stremio. Among the three available options, select install. The installation process will commence, and upon completion, confirm that Torrentio has been successfully added to your Stremio account. To also ensure the changes take full effect, access your start menu and restart your PC. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.